Hey guys, it's Debbie, and I'm going to work on a painting. I'm going to do a swipe, but then I'm going to put the silicone on this and to create the cells and see what happens. Anyways, I have all of my colors mixed up, and some of them, I use a big variety, but okay. Some of them are these cheaper paints, Delta Creme Coat. And this brown is Craft Smart, and the red is Liquitex, and the white is latex. So I got a big variety. But with all of them that I mixed up, all of these that I mixed up, I did 1 part paint, 1 part, where to put the golden pouring medium. I used the gloss golden pouring medium, and let's see, I used the glue all. 1 part paint, 1 part golden, and 2 parts glue all, and then the rest I mixed with water to get to the consistency. If you've poured these before, you know the consistency, you kind of get a feel for it. Every paint is a little bit different. So all of them, I believe, maybe my yellow is a little thicker, but it's not too bad. So look at this. So it kind of stays on there. Okay, we're going to keep our fingers crossed. I don't normally, when I first did these paintings, back year and a half ago, 2 years ago was it? Anyways, when I did them, I used the glue, the Elmer's glue as a base before I used the Floetrol. I had used it then, and I used the golden, and I wasn't real happy. So it's been a long time, and these are a little bit different paints than probably some of them I used then. I decided to give it a shot again and see what happens. Now, none of these have any of the silicone in it because we're going to put the silicone on this. So that's right, I need a plate. And to pour the silicone in. Okay, so that's what the plan is, okay? So, let's get started. So we're going to do a swipe first. Okay, I gotta get you guys so you can see it good enough. I think that's okay. There, that's better. All right, just gotta put my gloves on. And we will be getting started here. Try to put this all on ahead of time, but I forget sometimes. All right. Looks like the light is reflecting down. Okay, one problem to the next. And you can tell I haven't done this in a while. I need a pouring cup. Okay. All right, here we go. Sorry about that. There we go. Oh, let's see. What do we want on the top? I guess light. I'll start with if anything, I think some of these paints are sitting on the thicker side. Now remember, there's no silicone in here. Maybe they're thinning on, they might be out more on the thinner side because it's not sitting on top of each other. Okay. Since we have 2 darks, let's go a little light. I know this white is thicker. Oh, they're all sinking down in there. Oh boy. What's gonna happen now? So, that's the fun part, isn't it? Just gonna keep a little lightness around the black. Oh, you know what I forgot? I've got some yellow. Some yellow here. Okay, when I flip the cup, my bottom color will be blue and white. We'll see how this works. You never know. Okay, that's plenty. That's plenty of paint. So, oops. Okay, boy, I put way too much paint in there. Put a few lines in there. I'm liking it so far. Sometimes I hate it right out of the cup. Okay, I'm just letting it see what it's going to do there. I'm grabbing my torch. Oh my God. That's right, I did. I forgot to put the silicone in, guys. So I guess what we're going to do, I'm going to do this backwards. I'm going to do... See what it does there. Got a little bit. So now what I'm going to do, because I was going to do this other type of painting first, I'm going to do the silicone second. So move this around. Let's get a little bit over. I was going to do one of those paintings where you don't put the silicone in until, whoop, I don't want to lose all that either. But I don't want it like that. So what I'm going to do now, since there's no silicone in there, oh gosh. Look at there, there's still stuff coming up though. I'm going to put my own little things in there. So we're going to see what's going to happen with this situation. Just going to move some of the paints off to the side because I don't want to spill them. I think I'm going to hit it real quick with the torch and see what it's going to do over here before I kind of like this part here, and I'd like to see it just a little bit bigger. Okay. I'm losing all my blue. Oh well, we got a couple little traces of it. Well, I gotta wipe off my hands again. Okay. Alright, so now I'm gonna take the silicone. I'll tell you, there's hardly anything, well, there's plenty on the table. There's the silicone. Put on the plate, and we're going to dip this tool into it, and we're going to make our own. We'll see. Maybe not at this rate, the way I'm backfiring. Oh. Lost the tool. Okay. Okay. Seeing them start to come up? I planned on doing this with a swipe instead of a flip cup, but hey, it's accidents happen, huh? See them coming up? Are you close enough? Yeah. So I got so much paint all over my hands. Okay. I have a little tool that went invisible for a little bit here. Meaning I can't find it. Probably pressed on that a little too hard. I don't think you need to press hard. I think you just barely need to tap it. But I'm kind of creating my own designs in here. With adding the silicone second. Did I bump it, guys? I must have, because holy moly. So, since and those are kind of thinning out a little bit. Looks, kind of reminds me of teeth. I got teeth in my painting. You guys will probably do a better job. Well, anyways, you guys kind of got the idea what adding the silicone can do. Although I plan on doing a pour painting with a silicone in it, but I originally was going to do a swipe one first because I mixed up enough paint to do both. Okay, guys, I think I'm going to quit on this one. Might move it a little bit. I do need to dip down and put a little paint on the edges. Okay, anyways, this is it. You know, when I put this camera so close, creates such a shadow almost on there. Anyways, guys, I'm done. I really, really appreciate you guys for stopping by. And if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.